Welcome. Now I am going to show you how to do a transpose of certain cell values. Okay, now I have a student's worksheet. In this worksheet I have students and marks. Okay, this one I am going to transpose it. Okay, now this is 2 by 11. So the transpose will be 11 by 2. So it is 2 by 11, 2 columns, 11 rows. So the transpose is supposed to be 11 columns, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 2 rows. I just highlight this one. Okay, so it is going to be the transpose values. Okay, how can I do this? Okay, usually we know we can do it by copy and paste. Copy and paste. Go to the first cell of this selection. So you are not doing anything, you just go there in this cell, copy, paste, special, paste special. Here you get the transpose and paste. This is one method. Okay, wherever you want you just go there and use a paste special or transpose here. Okay, this you can do it straight away, or this is just copy and paste method. Okay, and actually how to use the transpose function. Okay, I select this is the place, so I'm going to put the result here. So use this one. How can you do the transpose function? So here you go and select the resultant cells. You already know that it is going to be 11 into 2. I mean 2 into 11. This is 11 by 2, so it is 2 into 11. Okay, you select the cells for the output. Go to the first cell. It is when you select from here and select, you know the first cell is active, so there you want to put the transpose function. Transpose. Okay, what is the this input? The argument is the array of values, so it's an array function. Okay, so why it is array function? Because it takes input, array as input, and produces output is also an array. Okay, so close the bracket, put the input, close the bracket. Okay, now before you enter, what you need to do is, you should not just enter, you must use Ctrl Shift Enter for all array functions. Okay, Ctrl Shift Enter, Ctrl Shift Enter. Now you see it produces a set of values using a transpose function. Okay, so two methods you can do it. One, copy and paste it, transpose in the paste special, or you can use the transpose function. It is always advisable to use the transpose function instead of pasting, because pasting is automatically, it does copy and paste. What you are copying you never know, and what you are pasting is Okay, now you see you already pasted is a constant here. you see. So once you pasted, it is pasted, that's all. When you change some value here, for example the 80 marks, I change it to 90, it is not taken place in the pasting transpose, you see, but a change has been taken place in the array function. So it is always better to paste the array function. Anyway, it is a choice of the usage. Okay, so now this is the way you can make any cell values into transpose. Hope this video is helpful to you. See you on the next video. Bye.